What up, YouTube? This video was taken on this Friday afternoon, January 21st, 2022. Time right now is 5:50 p.m. And I found this construction site that's not that far from my house that I actually flew here a long time ago when they were digging, when they had a whole bunch of sewage pipes here. I flew through the sewage pipes when they were stacked up. I assumed they were putting a housing complex here because that's all they've been doing in the area is putting housing complexes. I was pleasantly surprised they're putting, I don't know what this building is. It seems like they have a big emergency generator they installed. So I don't know if it's some kind of medical facility or kind of looks like it's some kind of industrial setup. But I flew one warm-up pack and I'm gonna fly another pack in case I get kicked out. I was flying over there by my car and I had fine with coverage, but I figured it might be better to stand here. But yeah, I wish I would have known about it sooner. I just usually don't go down this road. But yesterday I was randomly going down this road. I'm building my first sub 250 Cinewolf, a Pro Tekk32 HD pusher. I am filming it since it seems like there's no build videos on that setup since a lot of people bind and fly them. And man, I really battled trying to get the tracer to bind, but luckily I found a forum post about how to put the tracer in some emergency recover mode. But that ended up being a pain in the butt, and you know, Team Black Sheep stuff's supposed to be like user friendly. But I did get it to bind before I ventured out here. Okay, so I did think of a cool line to do. Oh, I didn't see this. Am I gonna? There we go. First try. Like, this construction site's awesome. Oh. Trying to think of some lines I thought of. Sorry, I'm going on autopilot here. You think anyone's home? Oh yeah, like I said, you see they put a nice emergency generator here, so I'd like to think this would be some kind of industrial business, but knowing how the area is, if it's not housing, it's probably a medical facility.
Low battery, 22 volts. Low battery, 22 volts. Low battery, 22.1 volts. Low battery.
Couldn't hit it twice.
Low battery, 21.9 volts.
But yeah, man, this is an awesome place to fly, and like I said, I just recently discovered it.
Low battery.
The bad part about places like this, I did it very sloppy. My first power loop was awesome.
Battery,
The sad part about places like this, even though it's such a great place to fly, it's a limited rip opportunity.
Volts. Low battery. 21.8.
Okay, that's pretty much
Low
all it
battery,
is. I'm probably gonna
21.7
fly a
volts.
couple more packs here till I get kicked out. No fences here either. That's the weird part.
Low battery. 21.6 volts. Low battery.
Whoop. That's like I call that my oh, you know what? That's what I should do. I was gonna call it a Dukes of Hazzard hood slide, but I should actually do that. I'll probably do it in the next pack. I'll just rip a slide right across the hood of that car. Okay, well, like I said, this is an awesome spot. I just happened to stumble upon. I'm going to spend more time here. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.